Hey there! Today I want to talk about basics, blocks and grids in Squarespace. These two are the foundation of your Squarespace website. Every piece of content you add, whether it's text, an image, button, a form, or even a video, is a block. Blocks live inside sections, which are the larger containers that make up your page. To add a block, hover inside a section and click the plus icon. A menu will appear with all of the different block options: text, image, button, gallery, video, form, and so much more, as you can see. Just click the one you want and it will drop right into the section. Now let's look at the grid. Squarespace uses a drag and drop grid system that gives you a lot of flexibility. You can move blocks anywhere in the section by dragging them. Let me remove this one. Place two blocks side by side to create a column layout, or stack them vertically for rows. You can also resize blocks by dragging their corners, making them larger or smaller, depending on the design you want. The grid will snap blocks into place, which keeps everything aligned and looking professional. Finally, remember that your layout is responsive by default. On desktop, you might have two blocks side by side, but on mobile, Squarespace will automatically stack them vertically, so they're easier to read. You can even customize the mobile layout separately if you'd like. And always make sure you check the mobile view before saving anything. So to recap, use the plus icon to add blocks, drag them around the grid to arrange your layout, and preview your site on both desktop and mobile. Once you understand how blocks in the grid work together, you'll have complete flexibility in designing your pages.